Hi mga friends! For today's video, I'm gonna show you my after party makeup look. Perfect siyang look sa mga occasion, casual man o formal events. And syempre, napakadali niya lang gayahin. First thing I do, I always start with a clean face. Then, I use Myra Vita Smooth as my primer. Good thing about it, it also hydrates my skin. Pagkatapos, antayin lamang itong matuyo. To cover our blemishes, I use Maybelline Superstay Foundation and AC Makeup Concealer. Kung napapansin nyo, hindi talaga ako nagamit ng mga brushes. Unang-una, hindi ako sanay. At saka pakiramdam ko kasi nakalutang lang yung foundation sa mukha. And then, I put it to the dark areas of my skin. Then always blend until it blends to the skin. I use baby powder nowadays as my loose powder because it gives me more flawless look and soft touch to the skin. My all-time favorite eyebrow pencil from Niyo. I just follow the natural line of my brow line. Then, tsaka ko siya medyo kakapalan to give a little shape. On flick kung tawagin. Then brush it upwards just to make it look more soft. After that, yung brush na ginamit ko sa kilay ko, ginagamit ko din siya pang contour sa ilong ko, yung natirang stain sa brush. Then, yung brush na ginamit ko din sa aking kilay, nilaline ko din siya sa ilong para magmukha talaga siyang contoured. Then blend it with another brush to soften the edges. To highlight my brows, I use Niyo palette to make the eyebrows more clean. And for the eyeshadow, I put Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. Mukha siyang orange sa screen, pero medyo brown talaga yung kulay niya. Apply lang natin siya sa crease hanggang sa lid ng ating mga mata. From the same palette, pinili ko naman yung mas darker para sa ating upper crease to create transitioning color. Medyo nahirapan ako na i-achieve yung ating cat eye, kaya naisipan ko maglagay ng tape sa gilid na ating mga mata. So, back to our eyeshadow. Naglagay naman ako ng black sa ating crease para mag-create ng deep definition to our eyeshadow. And then, I add some glittery yellow on the lid. And to the inner corner of the eye. Tapos nun, nagdagdag lang ako ng same orange on the lower lash line just to give full look to the eye. In brown pencil from Nichido, I also use it as eyeliner. Just line the waterline to make it darker. I use Maybelline Extreme Liquid Liner to have a thin cut eye. Just make a thin line to the outer V and lift a little to give a short tail. For the mascara, I use Nichido Eyelash Defining Mascara. Apply it up and down motion to keep the eyelash separated, para hindi na rin tayo mahirapan sa pagpatong ng ating false eyelashes. And for my false eyelashes, sinusukat ko muna ito ng mas maliit sa aking mata, then tsaka ko siya gugupitin. Sobrang struggle maglagay ng pilik mata. Grabe. So, wait a little para maging intact ang ating eyelashes. Then after that, apply mascara again to stick the natural lashes to the fake ones. And for my lips, medyo nahirapan akong hanapan ng babagi sa ating looks. Kaya, I choose a Lamusland Long Lasting Matte in the shade of Taupe number 9. Parang nude lang din naman ang shade niya. Then top it with some lip gloss from Bright Light. And there you have it, my after party makeup look. Hope you liked today's video, and if you do, give a thumbs up. Share mo na rin if you like. Comment down below kung gusto mong ma-shoutout kita sa next video. Bye! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to hit the notification bell.